All right, guys, so we are stopping all of our work to unbox this latest Muse box by Mr. Nola's Glitter. This is going to be a good one. I can tell already it's going to be a good one. So Muse box is a monthly subscription from Mr. Nola's Glitter. You get about 13 or so of these sticky sheets. They have decals, some special media, their version of printed vinyl. All right, so we have Country Girls Rule. Look at all the detail on this. The roses. Oh, I love that pattern. I'm obsessed. I love that pattern already. This cute little boot. Okay, these decals are great. So these are printed with a white backing, but all of this is clear. So whenever you put this over dark colors, you're still going to see these designs. Like, they don't go away. They're perfect. Look at the detail in this leather. This one's called Saddle Up. Oh my goodness. Okay. This turquoise is perfect. This cute little cow print. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to do a lot with these. I have so many ideas. Giddy up, y'all, howdy, yeehaw. Those cute little leopard hearts. I just love leopard. Don't worry, I've had both my shot. Hey there, cowboy, honky tonk babe. These are precious. Look at this one. Look at all the detail. They have a little cactus, a little buffalo. Look at that little tiki right there. Teepee right there. The cow print in the background of the leopard. You can't get much cuter than this. I love this one. This little serape. Am I saying that right? I have no idea. Love this. South by Southwest. Yes, please. That pattern is always so cute. Perfect little wrap. Oh my goodness. This is a 20-ounce wrap. It's going to fit perfect on that tumbler. Just trim it down. You trim it down and wrap. How easy is that? And look at this one. Okay, this one is mine. No one is taking it. Full wrap. I'm going to full wrap this bad boy. Look how gorgeous that is. Those colors are amazing. This is called Ranch Hen's Purse. Okay, again, these are all sticky sheets. They're from Mr. Nola's Glitter. This is a Muse box. Monthly subscription. These are not available yet on the website. This will be available in about a month or so. For now, you can just get them through Muse. So you guys go check out the Muse subscription. When it comes up again, you'll have to sign up for it. You get something new every time, and it's just so different and perfect. I don't know. Everything's, they're great. They're great. I love them. Link is in my bio, so go check that out, and we will see y'all soon. Bye, guys.